this is not the first time that we saw each other. Marami ng Star Magic Ball yung nakalipas. We have common friends. Hindi naman ganun kaliit ang mundo. We still have common friends. So we go to, we attend same parties, diba? Pag may birthday yung kaibigan namin. So no, it's not the first time, but I think naging big deal lang siya because it is the first time na nagkatrabaho kami. Never naman kami nakita sa screen together, and at the time, hindi kami magtatrabaho talaga. Just two separate things in your lives, di ba? But other than that, wala namang big deal.
Would you say na friendly or civil yung tunguhan yun? Perfect. So at least talagang possible na yung, kasi yung iba, they prefer na they don't maintain friendship with their ex or something. Pero ikaw, cool ka lang about it.
Okay naman ako. Komportable naman ako sa buhay ko ngayon. At kung saan man ako. So, I'm okay with everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you po.